This video explains the installation of our extended mag release. You're going to either be receiving a black oxide extended mag release lever or a stainless steel, depending on the finish of your rifle. So we're going to go ahead and move these out of the way, and then we'll show you how to do the installation. Also included is a installation pin to use during the installation process. We'll show you how that works in a moment. First, we want to make sure the firearm's clear and the safety is on. Then we're going to remove the trigger group by prying up on the hole in the back of the trigger guard. We'll slide that out, and we're going to set the rifle aside and work just with the trigger group. Now you're going to want to get the factory mag release lever out. There's a pin that has a head on one side and it has no head on the other side. We're going to want to push that pin out with something under 3 millimeters, roughly 1/8 of an inch diameter. If you have a punch or something, you can push that pin right out, and then you have the factory pin out, and then you can just remove the punch and your factory assembly will come out. Now we're going to set that aside, and we're going to, since we have a stainless rifle, we're going to install the stainless steel extended mag release. So you're going to want to lay the spring in, the factory spring back in, with there's a little hook on the one tail of the spring has a little dog leg in it. You'll want to put that into the slot in the extended mag release with that facing down toward the lever end. And then I'm going to take this install pin that's provided with the extended mag release, and we're going to try to put that through the spring. You'll have to kind of work the spring over in front of the hole and then try to push that pin through. There you have the spring with the install pin holding the spring in position. Now that install pin will, you'll see in a moment, will just help us get this back together. You want to lay that into the trigger group. You'll have to push down on the bottom end of the lever to compress the spring slightly, and then you'll be looking to line up the hole. You'll be able to see that install pin through the opening. And what I do is take, rather than try to push this thing factory pin through, which is a little more difficult, I just use my punch, and then I can push that install pin out. Now I've got the punch in there holding the spring and the lever in place. Then I'll come back over on this side and pull back the end of the punch, so I've just got the opening of the hole, and then I'll try to put the factory pin in, and pushing my punch out at the same time so that one is pushing the other. Okay, now the punch has come out the other side, and I'm just going to push this on the factory pin, just push that in tight. Then you have your extended mag lever installed. All right, and then you can just reinstall that assembly into your and there you have it.